Fleetio integrates with over 50,000 maintenance shops around the country, which means vehicles can be serviced much more efficiently.
Fleetio integrates with about 50,000, maybe more than that at this point. We add new shops every day, but we integrate with about 50,000 or so shops around the country, both national brands that you're familiar with, as well as independent mom and pop shops like Joe's Lube down the street that you might take your cart to for the oil change. That integration is primarily focused on pulling in maintenance and transaction data into Fleetio so that our customers don't have to enter that manually. Within the integration, there's also approval workflows that customers can build where based on a certain dollar value, certain ROs are approved or denied, which saves a lot of time for our customers. The obviously uptime is incredibly important in keeping those vehicles on the road, reducing the amount of time that they're spending waiting for someone to give the thumbs up on a tire rotation can save a lot of money for an organization. So within the shop integration, we also have the ability for certain services to be approved automatically so that a fleet manager doesn't have to be bothered or taken out of their day to approve a minor PM or a routine PM. So within all of that, like I said, it's really about reducing the amount of time that it takes for a vehicle to be serviced through those automated approval workflows. And also reducing the amount of time that customers have to spend entering service data into Fleetio. All of those ROs enter into the system automatically. They're all broken down by line item and by service task. So on the other side of the maintenance shop integration is incredible reporting that our customers have access to, so they can really easily understand their total maintenance costs. They can drill down by line item if they want to. So if they ever need to report on the number of oil changes or tire rotations or body repairs that they had to do, all of that reporting is basically at their fingertips without them having to do anything. It just happens automatically through our integration with those 50,000 shops around the country.